Welcome to People Want to Know. JP Dominguez here on Jessica Dominguez TV, reminding you, if you like this content, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see all our videos. This week, we are here for video 2 of 2. First week, we went over the ITIN number and frequently asked questions and benefits, so make sure to check that video out right here. And I have back again, tax expert Victor Quiñones. Thank you so much for being here again.
Thank you, JP. A pleasure, as always.
This week, we're going to be going over the frequently asked questions regarding filing your taxes with the ITIN number. That's why we have you here to answer them. Let's get it right into question number 1. I'm undocumented. Do I have to pay taxes?
Of course. Everybody that lives and works in this country is required to do their taxes annually and report their income to comply with all the fiscal laws.
I think that's one of the biggest arguments as well for immigration reform. The fact that we have so many people in our community who are here undocumented and are paying taxes and have been paying taxes for a number of years, and they do so rightfully, and that's why people make an argument that there should be some sort of reform, reprieve for these people that have been here for so many years.
Definitely. If people see that they will get a benefit or some sort of legitimacy, if they pay their taxes, more people would pay their taxes. There's always a give and take.
Great. Question number 2. I don't have a social security number. Should I pay taxes with my own name?
You should always declare your tax returns with your own name and your own ITIN. You should never use the name that you're using at work or the number. It becomes a lot easier than to transfer your record of income and taxes that you paid when you go through the immigration process.
That's great information. Question number 3. What options do I have if I owe IRS a bunch of money?
Well, you do have options if you cannot pay your taxes. Establish an installment agreement. You can negotiate a reduction. In some cases, it's not very easy. Some of the more complicated cases or large tax balances, you're better off consulting a professional, either a certified public accountant or a tax attorney. Right. To look at your case, and take it on a case-by-case basis based on your individual situation. And it's also important that if you were not able to arrange something at some point, it doesn't mean that you can arrange something later, so you should always try again as your situation changes.
Great, thank you for that information. Question number 4. I've lived here for many years. If I start paying my taxes now, will the IRS want to charge me for all the previous years that I've lived and worked here?
Sometimes it can happen that IRS will request additional years to the ones that you have filed, if you have filed the most recent tax return. It's not necessarily going to happen. It's more probable for that to happen if the IRS has reason to believe that you're going to owe them money.
So that's very interesting. So there's a possibility, but nothing's for sure. And the best recommendation is to make sure to get it checked out by an expert.
The best thing is that you know whether you owe money or not, because some people wait and it turns out they actually are due a refund, but there's only 3 years that you can file.
Oh, so there's a limitation.
There's a limitation, yes.
Okay. And then lastly, Victor, if I'm able to adjust my status in the future, will I be able to transfer the information of my taxes paid through my ITIN to a social security number?
Yes. So what happens is that through the immigration process, automatically the immigration coordinates with Social Security Administration. So your record is automatically transferred. So all of your income and all of your Social Security tax credits are transferred over to Social Security Administration under your new Social Security number.
Wow.
Now, it's your responsibility to then check and make sure that Social Security has processed everything correctly and you've been given credit for all the work that you did.
So thank you for being here, Victor.
Thank you, JP.
Where can people find you? What's the website again?
The website is www.mytaxesardone.com and we're located in Boyle Heights.
Awesome, Victor. Thank you so much for your information. Thank you for watching on a weekly basis. I'm sure there's a bunch of information on that website, so make sure to go check it out. You can find me on Instagram, JP Dominguez. Thank you for watching on a weekly basis. Don't forget to subscribe to Jessica Dominguez TV. We love it when you subscribe, and we will be back next week with another segment. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.
Wait, don't go anywhere.
Please subscribe to the left.
And watch our videos below.